As a woodworker, you may have realized that finding the right detailed plans to build some custom projects to meet specific needs can be very difficult. This is among the most common problems woodworkers face today, but luckily for you, this and other related problems shouldn't bother you. Ted McGraw, a certified master woodworker, trainer, and author, gives more than 16,000 plans with step-by-step blueprints for various woodworking projects. So what's Ted's woodworking all about? Building complex projects or even the simple ones to meet specific needs can be very difficult even to experienced woodworkers, especially when you can't find a detailed plan. And most of the so-called step-by-step guides found online and in various magazines make building some projects harder than it should be. This is because the plans are sometimes not specific enough or their instructions leave out crucial information, assuming that you have enough experience to know what to do. In addition, often, such plans don't have enough detail. For instance, some don't include pictures, or the pictures they have don't match what they are telling you. Still, some don't even include cut sheets, so you are forced to guesstimate material,